Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make teriyaki sauce. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. I'll go ahead and slice your green onion and mince your ginger and garlic. Take 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix that together and we're going to use this for our thickening agent. Now let's get started on our sauce. Add 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, add in the 2 cloves of garlic that we previously chopped and also the 1/2 tablespoon of minced ginger. Lastly, go ahead and add in that cornstarch mixture. Turn your stove on medium-high heat and we're going to bring this to a boil. While your sauce is heating up, you're going to notice that your sauce is going to turn a dark brown color. That's okay. It's going to probably start to boil right after that. Once it starts boiling, we're going to let it thicken up for about 3 to 5 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you're going to start to notice that it thickened up. So now we're going to turn our heat off and remove that and let it cool for about 30 minutes.